Hey there, it's Alex from WTI. I have been helping my dad make custom furniture for decades now, and our favorite glue to use is Titebond. As you can see, we are in the middle of quite a big project, so we needed a glue that's going to set up fast and be efficient. We like Titebond glue because, especially for wood projects, because it has a quick setting initial tack, so you gotta work quick. And we like it because it easily washes away with water. As you can see, we're making some panels for a large project, and a rag with just some water cleans away all that excess glue. The glue has a nice viscosity. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, just the right amount. Well, we pour from the gallon jug into smaller applicator bottles just to make it easier to apply. And of course, all glues are going to have a smell, but I really appreciate that there is a very mild scent from this glue. It's not overpowering at all. Because we're making furniture for customers, we want to be confident that the glue we use is going to provide a lasting permanent bond, which is why we put all our confidence in this Titebond glue. It's never let us down. And that's our point of view.